Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360, then wait a few minutes so residual charge drops. This prevents shorting. Once done, remove the outer faceplate by pressing the center tab and sliding it off, and set screws aside in order. Now use a Torx T8 to remove the trim screws and a Phillips #0 for the drive bezel. Make sure to keep parts organized. Lay down a clean cloth to protect the top of the console while you work. You will now remove the drive bezel and unscrew the DVD drive mounting screws, then slide the drive out slowly on its rails so you can inspect internal parts. Once exposed, examine the belt and gears for cracks, missing teeth, or stretching, and look along the tray rails for grime or obstructions that could bind movement. If you see a loose or shiny belt, that indicates wear. If gears are damaged or plastic tabs are broken, prepare replacement parts before reassembly. You should replace a stretched belt or broken gear with OEM or compatible parts, and once fitted, apply a thin smear of silicone grease to the tray rails to reduce friction. Do not over-lubricate. After reassembling in reverse order, reconnect power and test eject, and close repeatedly to confirm smooth operation. If the tray still fails, try the manual ejection screw accessible through the small hole, and make sure to try a console restart or drive firmware reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.